Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a logo on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and after that we need to search for the Adobe Express. As you can see, it's written here. After searching for the Adobe Express, we have to click on this, which is called logo. So let's click on the logo, and the size is also mentioned. So after clicking on this, as you can see, you are going to see you are going to get a lot of templates here. You have to search for the logo. For example, if you have any specific group, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to search for the education and logo, and then simply press the enter. And after pressing enter, as you can see, you are going to get a lot of templates here. You need to, if you want to use them, you can also do that. So as you can see, the templates are here. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, it will be inserted here. So I'm going to cut this one, and after cutting this, let's cut. As you can see, now the logo is here. If you want to edit the logo things, you can also do that. This is the logo icon, and this is the logo text. If you want to edit this, you can also do that. For example, I want to change this. I want hello edu, and let's make this smaller. So as you can see, I have clicked on this hello edu, and after clicking on this, the text controls are provided here. If you want to use them, you can also do that. So in this way, you can create a logo. All the controls are provided here. If you want to use these all things, and if you want to edit them, you can also do that. And if you want to change the color, you can also do that. So in this way, you can create a logo on Adobe Express. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.